Imagine if you had a hidden power, a power to understand people, what they feel, what they think, what they're about to do. Your boss, your friends, strangers, even your crush, all reacting without knowing why. This is not magic. This is psychology. The same psychology used by leaders, influencers, and manipulators to control people silently. In this video, you'll learn dark psychological techniques that can change how people react to you. Warning, this is for learning only. Once you understand this, you'll never see people the same way again. Trick number 5, control the choices. People think they make free decisions. They don't. People only choose from the options you give them. Power isn't forcing someone. Power is controlling the choices. Example, you want your friend to go out. If you say, let's go out, they can say no. But if you say Pizza Hut or Domino's, now they must choose. They feel free. But both answers mean the same thing. They're going out. This is how brands and marketers work. Buy one, get one free. Buy two and save more. You feel smart, but the decision was already guided. Control the options and you control the result. Trick number 4, emotional control. Here's the truth. People don't decide with logic. They decide with emotion, fear, love, guilt, anger. When emotions rise, logic disappears. That's why politicians don't focus on facts. They create feelings. Fear makes people obey. Anger makes people follow. Belonging makes people loyal. People forget who gave them facts. They remember who made them feel something. Trick number 3, the guilt effect. Guilt is powerful. Force makes people resist. Guilt makes people change themselves. Example, a friend keeps canceling plans. If you say, you never make time for me, they'll pull away. But if you calmly say, I understand, if I mattered, you'd probably make time. Silence. Now, guilt starts working. They'll explain, they'll apologize, they'll come back. You didn't attack them, you let them judge themselves. Trick number 2, the reverse trap. Here's a simple truth about humans. People want what they're told not to do. Tell someone, don't look behind you. What do? They look. Tell someone, don't watch this video. It'll click instantly. This is the reverse trap. You don't force people. You trigger their ego. Example, you want your friend to help you. If you say, please do this work for me, they may ignore you. But if you say, I had some work, but it's hard, I don't think you can do it. Boom. Their ego wakes up. They'll say, what? Of course I can. You didn't ask them. You challenged them and they did it themselves. That's real influence. Trick number 1, silence is power. Silence is dangerous. Think about this. When someone shouts, it's loud. But when someone stays silent, it feels heavier. Silence makes people uncomfortable because the mind starts filling the gaps. How to use it. Want someone to confess? Don't ask questions. Just say, I know everything. Then stay quiet. Their fear grows. Their mind panics. They start talking in arguments. Don't shout. Don't explain. Look at them. Stay calm. Say less. Their own words will start sounding weak. The strongest person in the room is the one who talks the least. Final message. These techniques are powerful. Use the right way, they help you understand people better. Use the wrong way, they can destroy trust. If this video opened your eyes even a little, subscribe. If you want more content like this, comment yes. This is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next video.